Aaron here, welcome back to the channel, and today we are talking about my initial reactions, thoughts, and feelings about the Google Pixel 6 Pro. That is right, the device has been out and in my possession since last week. I've been able to use it, enjoy it, try it out, test it out, do all the things Pixel related in order to share with you what I have called the only feeling that I can think of that I can use to describe the Pixel 6 Pro is bewitching. And when I say bewitching, I'm telling you, I am like under a spell when it comes to this device. I have at my fingertips at any given time Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, S21 Ultra, Note 20 Ultra, iPhone 13 Pro, Mini, 12 Pro Max. It's just all these devices and everything in my arsenal that I can play with and enjoy. And I keep picking up the Pixel to do everything. This device feels phenomenal in my hand, and that is the first thing I want to talk about with you, is this phone, this device doesn't feel just like a mere cell phone. It feels like a piece of equipment, like it belongs out into the world, that it is here to do some serious business with 12 gigabytes of RAM and this insanely fast refresh rate of a screen. Let's go ahead and just look at that for just a second. So we're gonna go ahead and swipe up and just enter our app switcher, and look at this. Look how quick and smooth that is. It's like all of my open apps just like that. It's crazy how quick this is. It's like I keep looking at it, I'm like, you know, a lot of people did 90 refresh rate and it was a nice upgrade, and some went straight to 120. But something about what they did is they're calling it smooth, this smooth refresh rate. Let's call it 0 to 120, and the phone is gonna decide which refresh rate we need and how quickly and all that stuff. So we don't even gotta do anything to figure it out. Phone's gonna do it for us. Which leads me to the other thing about this device. There's this artificial intelligence, this assistant, this Google Assistant that just wants to do things for us. So now I'm exploring, I believe it was the phone app and some features in there. So now the Google Assistant has this mode built in where it will do a hold for me or direct my call. So hold for me is like when you're calling someone, the phone will listen and say, hey, can I hold for you? Do you want to go back to work and do something, and I'll wait for your banker to get on the phone, since it's a 90-minute wait to go ahead and talk about something. So it's like, yeah, hold for me. Sure, go ahead. What about this other thing where like it identifies the menu that it's reading to you and creates a selection for you on your screen? I mean, like, who does this? This is neat, right? This is getting kind of cool. Like, Google is really pushing it. Now, there's a trade-off for all this stuff, you know. There's always a trade-off. Google has not always had the best track record when it comes to merging software and hardware together. So, like, well, we are very much in the honeymoon phase of the device, which is why I probably can't keep my hands off her. But at the end of the day, Google doesn't have a great track record. So is this the device that they're going to break that pattern, that they're actually delivering us something? I mean, the A series have been crazy impressive because of the price, but this device starting at $899 for the 6 Pro model is like a flagship Pro feel all the way. $899, and that's what I think I like a lot about this device, is it's not just a flagship, it's not just a pro device. They didn't push it to the $1,000 starting price, which I think they could have gotten away with. I really do. I think this device, hands down all day, is worth $1,000 starting. Instead, we're getting it for $899. Pretty sweet deal. So Android 12 is amazing. It brings this new way of taking your device and helping it work together even more. And with pure stock Android, nothing else layered on top of it, we're able to experience and enjoy a user connection with this device, this powerhouse, and it really makes it feel like it's my device, like it's part of me, like it knows where I want to go, what I want to do, how to help me do stuff, and it's pretty amazing. And Android 12 looks and feels great, and I think it's just going to keep getting a little bit better. And they're also promising us 5 years of security updates. So the software on this definitely draws me to it. The next thing we got to talk about is this camera, right? The camera's got all sorts of crazy new little ninja features everywhere. Now, I'm gonna do a full rundown of the camera in a completely separate video, and I don't want you to miss it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button with the notification bell, ding, so that way you'll be notified when that video comes out. And the camera, they are pushing to the limits, not just the camera, and I have to bring this up and I have to give Google props here, is they're focusing on video for, in my opinion, the first time ever. This is the first time they've ever released a device where there appears to be a strong push or focus on the video, like, hey, come look at this video, look what it can do. It's never really been like, hey, come look at our amazing video. It's always been like, look at our great portrait camera, look at our color pop, look at our this or that and all this other camera stilled stuff, but don't look at our video. How it's always been. But now it's like, go look at our video, go take some cinematic, go do some slow-mo, go do some fast moving background magical stuff. It's like, go have some fun. They are giving us a little bit of Sammy vibes, right? Like, these are features that we would kind of expect or probably already have on Samsung devices, and now Google is kind of getting a little bit more edgy as far as the features it's rolling out to us. So in the past, Google's stock camera has been very basic, plain, super easy to navigate, not a lot of options. And it holds true today. However, there are a couple more options and we get to choose from, and we're super excited. Not only are we excited to take those videos, we're excited to take those pictures, and we're excited because we can do it all on one charge of the battery. This is a 5,000 milliamp battery. That's right, 5000 or somewhere around there, as they say. I have used this device all day today. I am at 43% battery, and I have about 14 hours left and a 43% battery, and that's pretty good without even turning on any battery saving mode. Google is making this device a really hard device for any smartphone, cell phone, mobile technology enthusiast to pass up on. This is like Google or Pixel's way of coming back, of being spanked so many years in a row by Samsung and Apple alike, and it's finally fighting back and saying, hey, this is our operating system, we're gonna figure out how to build a phone. And I think that is exactly what happened here. They did a great job at the 5A, right? Gotta say, a great job. But this, gorgeous, stunning, looks, feels great. I can't wait to pick it up in the morning and do stuff. Like, I don't know if this smile on my face is terribly genuine at the moment. Like, I really enjoy picking this device up and doing anything. If I can share anything with you at this point of the game, right, having this device in my possession since last Wednesday, liking it as much as I do, I'm absolutely bewitched by it. I'm under a spell. I can't stop using it. I would definitely say this is the device that you want to give it a try. Don't wait, get your pre-order in. These things are selling out like hotcakes. Get your pre-order in. Go ahead, check Amazon, check Best Buy, check Sam's Club, Costco, your local cell phone carriers. Go directly to Google if you want. You got to get creative, look around, try to get device for you. They are out there. They will be out there. I got this one as part of Team Pixel, but my eyes are really kind of set on that Sunny one, so I may be looking to get one if they happen to have one laying around when they come out tomorrow. At the time of this video is being made, maybe you won't see this video for a couple days. But guys, thanks for sharing your time with me. Like, comment, subscribe. If you really want to pay me the ultimate creator compliment, share my content with your friends and family on social media. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.